Hello everybody! Today you're going to use a new online tool that I just learned about called Padlet. Padlet is kind of like an online bulletin board where you can put all of your thinking in one place and we can all share that thinking by looking at it, kind of like having a bulletin board on the wall in a classroom. So I'll show you the tool by starting a browser. First I'll use Google Chrome. Once I get into Chrome, I have put some links on my RICAT account, so I'm going to go straight to ricat.net. I'm scrolling down through the middle school list until I find Thompson, as we always do, and you'll notice that I have some links right here under Assessments and Library Projects. Now first, I'm just going to show you a Padlet so you can see what one looks like. This is one that was created by my 5th grade class the other day, and I asked them to tell what they know about RICAT. So you can see there are lots of names on the screen and that each child has written some things that they know about that particular tool, RICAT. Now what I want you to do today, when you get in, is to go to the RICAT tab. I'll take you in again. And this time when you get to RICAT, you'll find the link for your class. So I'm going to Thompson. From the Home tab, I look for the link for my class. So let's just demonstrate with Padlet for Power Monday. When I click Padlet, it opens, and you can see the kinds of things that I've already added to the screen. So I've got a title for my Padlet, and this is my Monday 8:45 class, and here are the instructions. It says write about a time when you showed your TMS power. So first you're going to pick a letter from the power matrix, either P, O, W, E, or R, and you're familiar with that matrix by now. You're going to double-click anywhere to add a note, so let's try it. I'll just pick a space right here, double-click, and when I do that, a box appears. The first thing I add is my name. And then you see the prompt that says write something, so I click right there. I'm going to choose a letter that I want to write about. I'll choose O for organized. I like to be nice and organized in this place. So I'm going to say, let's search for books and materials using RICAT. RICAT helps us to be organized and know where things are. So I'll put a link here also in case people want to go straight to ricat.net. And when I click outside the box, you can see that link is now live. So if I click on RICAT, it will take me right to the RICAT page. Now going back to my Padlet, if I want to edit anything I've typed, if I hover over my box, I can see a pencil icon appear, and it says Edit, so I can type and add anything else I want to add. So maybe I want to say something like, remember to use the correct search. Use the correct search for what you want to find. Now when I'm done, I just click. If I want it to move around the screen, I can click and drag it anywhere I feel like dragging it. And if I want to see that larger so I can read the text, if I click on that, it becomes larger and I can see it on the screen. And then I can click the X to close it out. So all you'll do is find a spot on the Padlet, click, add your note, and share your information with all of us. Remember to use the words from the Power Matrix. Have fun!